charts. Which one? Pie chart, all types you have seen. Okay. So Friday you want off? How many if you want? Raise your hands. Yes or no? Holy it is on Friday. Okay. Yesterday why you were absent? Huh? No, that's okay. Yesterday you were absent. No? Why? So after this, scatter plot we'll look after for. My screen is visible online.
Yes, sir.
Because
display data points are the two-dimensional plane showing relationships between two meters. It is computation analysis of linear reflection. We are analyzing the relationship between sales and profit. How to create drag and measure example sales that are set. Drag and measure example profit to the row cell. Have to automatically creates a step.
so when a scatter plot will create when we use two measures. Between two measures. So see as soon as I put two measures here, what I am getting? A point. So this kind of chart is known as scatter plot. Okay. Now as soon as I use some dimension, so as according to the dimension I'll get that many points. If I put subcategory, how what I'll get? 17 points. Getting it everyone? So when we'll get scatter plot? When we are using two or more measures. See, dimension 0 or more means dimension if 0 is also there, then also you can get a scatter plot. See, still it is valid. Measure 2 or 4. Do it everyone. Created. Now create next one, area chart. Name the new sheet as area chart, and so your name is others. Please read this.
Area chart. Description. Similar to a line chart, but the area under the line is filled. Uses showing uncumulative data but to whole relationship over time. Example, unit is length over time. How to get? Grab a data dimension. Example, order date. User column cell. Grab a measure. Example, sales to the row cell. Select area chart from the show view panel.
So similar to line chart means what? See, these three lines are there. These are having their own numbers and it is matching to the axis. So maximum point in the axis at 1600. But in the area chart, what is the maximum point? 46 4500 means 45k. Here it is 16k, because here the lines are not dependent on each other. These lines are floating in the air, they are not affecting each other. But here this, let us suppose this line have some, this doesn't have mass, this is just like a thin string, but this is just like a band. Friendship band, you know, friendship band have thickness, width. Yes or no? So like this, these lines are having width and they are kept upon each other. Let us suppose 2-3 friendship bands kept upon each other. These are width. So see, 1616. This is what technology. It is one line. Under that, whole area is covered, and upon that another category is kept. So on technology, office supply is stacked, they are kept upon each other. So for here it is 16k, it is matching. For here, if I switch on show drop line, see here 1305, but here it is what? See 2921. This is the point value, and this value is from 0, as 1616 plus 1305 is 2921. This all values are stacked upon each other. This 1378, 1305, 1616, these are individual values of those points, but this value 4929 is from 0, to this whole it is covered. This is known as cumulative sum. So area chart shows us a cumulative sum, whereas line does not show. These lines are not affecting each other. This line and all these are individual, they are not dependent on each other, whereas area is one area is kept upon another, means they are stacked, like stacked bar chart is there. Similarly, you can call this area chart as stacked line chart, where line under the curve is covered. So line has some width now, it is a band, it's no more a line. So that is called what? A area chart. Is that clear? Similar to line but have little difference. This also gives me area, also gives me year, means kind of timelines. Line also give me the timeline. So this example I have just given to match it with the area chart. Make it everybody area chart. Done? Have you created? How? What we have done? Taken order date and sales. This you can convert to the area chart. This is how you are done. Everyone, what you are done? First you put sales, then category in colors. That much you are done. Okay. Now another thing is
Label.
yes,
Label also we need to put.
लेबल तो ऑप्शनल है ना, आपके मन पे रहेगा. Now you can just take this order date and some. If you are double clicking and taking, so first you will double click on sales, then you will take the order date, you will get a line. You can click on the drop down, select area. This is how also you can do. Clear everybody? Putting the category, putting the sales, that's it. Do it everyone. This matching line chart you want to make, your choice. Make it yourself. Madhuri, read this.
Map. Description. Display data geographically on a map. Uses geographic analysis, location-based data insights. Example, sales by state or country. How to create. Drag a geographic field, example state, to the view. Drag a measure, example sales, to the color self. Tableau automatically creates a map.
So map by default we all know how to make. Double click on state, double click on sum of sale, put it into the color and put the state into the label if you want. Then you can change this sum of sales color to your choice. For me it is orange blue diverging. Just make it quickly guys. Done. Name this as state-wise sales map. Then make another one state-wise profit map. Even if you are done, now we'll try to make another one. Now we'll make waterfall chart. Everyone, are you all ready?
Visualize the cumulative effect of sequentially introduced positive or negative values. Each bar represents a data point showing how an initial value is affected by intermediate positive and negative changes, ultimately leading to a final value. Leaders, financial analytics, displaying how revenue or profit changes due to various factors like cost and expense. Inventory analysis, demonstrating the changes in stock levels with incoming and outgoing items. Process improvement, illustrating the impact of different states on a key metric. Example showing the impact of various expense and income on the starting revenue to reach the ending revenue.
So see, in Tableau there is no specific option to click for a waterfall chart. You just have to do some adjustments and you can make it look like this. So waterfall chart means your values are going like from high altitude to low altitude. How does a waterfall chart? Means water falls from high altitude to low altitude, right? So this visibility is giving a effect of waterfall. So that's why we are calling it as a waterfall charts. It has various uses as you have just read. Let us now understand how to create it. First of all, putting sales, subcategory, sorting is the most important one. See, high altitude to low altitude it is going right. Sorting, converting this to Gantt bar. Now only the levels I am seeing, bars I am not seeing. Now I am putting the sum of sales into the size. If you want, you can put the sum of sales, the color also. Color will give that effect. Okay, it's optional. Color is optional. Your waterfall chart is done. Please make it. Created. Create one more for profit. Next, we'll make funnel chart. What is funnel chart? What is funnel first of all? This is funnel. What does it is used for? Filter. Filtering it is used for. Funnel is not used for filtering. It is used to fill. Let us suppose your petrol tank with bottle you cannot fill. Yes. So what you will do? You will use another half bottle. You will place there in the petrol tank, and with another bottle you will try to fill it. So another half bottle which is have one bigger mouth opening and one smaller mouth opening. So that is acting like a funnel. So it is used to pour some oil. Now in this case, why we are calling it as a funnel chart? Because the visibility, the shape is looking like a funnel. Higher values to the lower values we are going. It is just used to make it look interactive, make it look appealing. Okay. Otherwise, we have bar charts, horizontal bars are there. We can use that also. But to make it look appealing, we are using what? Funnel chart. Can we start? So, read this funnel chart.
Funnel chart. A funnel chart is used as the progressive reduction of data as it is passes from one place to another. It is typically used to represent stages in a process, where each stage is represented by a portion of uses. Their pipeline visualizing stages from leads to conversions. Marketing funnels showing steps in a campaign from awareness to purchase. Process analysis. Displaying the drop-off at each stage of a multi-step process.
So see here, this bigger block is at the top, smaller is at the bottom. So it is going as bigger to smaller. So it is looking like a funnel. It is not giving that exact shape, but this one is giving a shape like a funnel. So more number of attributes are there and they are gradually reducing. So it will give me a shape like a funnel. Yes or no? So let us see how to make it. First of all, I'll use sum of sales and putting the category into the color. Now sorting it. Bigger value should be at the top. Okay. Sorting. Then putting the sum of sales, making it entire view. Both all are equal. Only the numbers are shown and the sequence is shown. But if I put the sum of sales into the size, so it will take the according sizes. Make it everyone. Make another one. Done. Now we will learn how to create advanced funnel chart. This is my advanced funnel chart. It is having more appealing shape, yes or no? Yes, it is exactly a shape of funnel. So let us see how we'll make. So my actual data is this only, this much. Okay, this is extra I have created. This is just like a mirror image. This part, mirror image is this part. Okay, this is generated. This is not a meaning. This exact data is not present. See, if I just put a mirror beside me, if I place my hand like this, the mirror is there. So hand will look like this. Yes or no? Opposite side. It's not my left hand. It is just a image of my right hand. Mirror image. It will look like this. So that's what is happening here. My original data is this, but I have created negative sales. Negative sales is not there, but it is just a mirror negative value of this. So in our school time, we have learned quadrant, x-axis, y-axis. That is the first quadrant. Negative x-axis, positive axis. That is second quadrant. Negative x, negative y. That is third quadrant. And negative y and positive x. That is fourth quadrant. This quadrant system you are learning in the school time, yes or no? So this is my first quadrant. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is negative x-axis. This is y-axis, positive. Y-axis is common in both them. Only the positive sales and negative sales. Negative sales I have just generated by giving the negative values to my positive sales. That's it. This values doesn't exist. But just to make it look like a funnel chart, I have made this. This much everybody create clear. So let us see now. My original data is only this much. Okay. So how I have created, let us see. I'll take ship mode, sales. Okay. Now I'll sort this. Smallest value to the biggest value. Sorted. Entire view. Now I'll convert this to area. So half of my funnel chart is complete. I just want the mirror image of this. For making that, I have created this calculated field, that is negative sales. Create this calculated field, negative sales. This doesn't exist, but for that mirror image, I have created this. Then create this much chart. Created. Now take this negative sales before this positive. If you put here, it will be should be placed like a mirror image. In this way we are done. So by putting these two measures here, I am getting two marks card. So individual change if I do in the marks card, it will affect individually. Yes. Now if I just put sum of sales into this one and make the label alignment downside, and I'll put the shift mode into the label alignment downside. Do it everyone. So I'm keeping in the separate marks card. If I put in the all marks card, then it will reflect both the sides. Done? Yes. So that's it for today. Your homework is to uh, do the formatting for all whatever charts we have created today. Is that clear, everyone? Remaining charts we'll do tomorrow. One chart is there in the 5 minutes. Can we see that? Huh? 5 minutes. Let me see. Others have left. As soon as I say thank you, few people quickly leave the class. So what to do? Let's take it. They will see in the recording. So this is a donut chart. For donut chart also there is no specific option there. Okay, you have to create it by adjustment. So first we all know how to create this pie chart, putting the sales or putting the category into the color, converting it to the pie, taking into the center, or just putting the sum of sales into the angle, sales into the angle or size, whatever. So properly that distribution will be there. Now here in the rows, everyone look at the screen, double click in the rows. What I am doing, double click in the rows AVG round bracket 0 round bracket close, enter. This is coming in the center. If I say entire view, it will come in the middle. Okay. Now I want one more file. Left click, control, drag and drop. Okay. Now I have two marks card. This is average 0, 1, average 0, second. So one, I will increase the size little bit. Now as both of the contents have this sum of sales and category, both are getting affected. So what I'll do, I'll remove from this second one. So this color is gone. Now if I increase or decrease the size, only that respective will reduce. Okay. This one I will increase the size. Okay. Now second one I'll make it white color. As of now I am making it red for you to make it understand. Clicking on the drop down and dual axis. Now this is what my donut chart is ready. Understood everybody? There is no special option for making the donut chart, but if I want, I can make it. Clear everybody? Just make it everyone. Those who are done, they can leave for today. One more time I will tell. Those who are unable to do. See here. First of all, we'll make the pie chart. Yes. Making the pie chart. Double clicking here. What will it say? AVG 0. It is going in center. I am taking this sales into the size. So these partitions will be getting clear. Once again, and dragging and dropping. Two are there, making it entire view. Now last one, I am removing everything so that it's a blank. Second last, which is the AVG first one, I am increasing the size of that. Okay. Now This much is created. Clicking on the drop down, dual axis. Okay. So making the color white according to the requirement. I'll increase the size of inner circle, and accordingly I can add sales into the labels. I will not add in the second one. I will add in the first one. Sales into the label. Sales into category into the label. Clear, everybody? Those who are done, they can leave for today.